everyone! I'm Claire and this is the channel to share super fun STEM activities. I've been sharing how to make 4 different types of pretty Christmas cards for a few weeks now. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas card with sequins and spangles. Follow me and make your own Christmas card. Let's get to it. The materials we need today are hot glue gun, sequins and spangles, clear plastic, tape, craft knife, markers, stickers, ribbon and paper. Fold the paper in half. Draw a circle. Cut out the round area. Now, I'm going to draw a snow globe. Open the card and glue a piece of plastic. Put the sequins and spangles in the circle. Apply the glue around the circle again. Cover them with a piece of paper. Glue the ribbon to the card. Decorate the card with markers and stickers. Wow, it's pretty! Today, I made a Christmas card with sequins and spangles in the shape of a snow globe. But it does not have to be a snow globe. Create your own card with your own design. And share your work with us by sending me an email. You can do it! This is for today. Try it at home and tell me how you go by leaving a comment. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you can receive more contents like this. Thank you. Bye.